Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This video about Bugna wallet. So if you have web wallet, looks just like when you're trying to send any coin, just like that. As soon as you open and put your money address, I didn't put one, but let me copy and show you so we are in the real time. Let me do any Bugna right there. Gonna copy and paste my own wallet address. Right now you're trying to input the amount, any amount. So let's say 10 Bugna, 100 Bugna, 1,000 million, 10 millions, and so forth. It's just gonna give you that message assertion. I don't know what assertion failed really here, but it doesn't really work. You put the priority fees wherever you want. You want to pay 10 millions to transfer it. It will not change, nothing. Any notes or anything, you type it in here. So at first I thought maybe a wrong wallet address. So I tried to play with that. Nothing really works. So I thought, like, what's going on? Is that another Tradeogre trick where I have some Caspa here, and believe it or not, Caspa, it shows like the wallet is alive online, but I can't do anything. I tried to sell 10, order failed. I tried to sell 100 for 14 cents, order failed. I put 11 cents, can't sell for any amount, 1 cent, 10 cents, 1 cent, 10 Caspa for 1 cent. Can't. Too little. Okay, 100 Caspa needs to be over $1. Okay, order failed. I can't even send for 0.01 cent probably either because it's under 1,000 Caspa. Should I try 1,000 Caspa? Raise that for $1. 1,000 Caspa. Yeah. Order failed. I should have taken that. I could sell for 1,000 Caspa for $1. Nobody wants that, right? On Tradeogre, just completely ridiculous. And so I thought, like, hey, what's going on with Bugna wallet now? I can't take any of my Bugna out. So I had second wallet, which is works. It's only one kind of freezes. So I was on their Discord, and recently, just about 3-4 days ago. So it's not another news now because it's been already a few days when they actually came out with the new wallet, web wallet, but it's V2, so it's version 2, which kind of looks a lot different than this. If you kind of used to have the Bugna wallet, or if you even in the Bugna at all. It's a meme coin on Caspa network. Well, not the Caspa, Cave Heavy Hash network, right? So if you go to the Bugna network, you'll see there on their website, bugna.org, all their information, the team, the schedule, all kind of stuff. What are they planning to do? Which is kind of cool. They have Discord. They have all this community around this coin, which is great. They have the transfer to the wrapped Bugna. There is a bridge, so you can transfer and trade it on the DEX tool. So there is another way, like whoever uses MetaMask or PancakeSwap. So that's kind of those old machines, right? So now you have the choices of that bridge, and then also you have Explorer, which is great. It has the network hash rate. It has the reward reduction schedule, which is very similar to Caspa. Now, it is the actual maximum supply is it 3 times more or 30 times more? It's a 100 billion versus Caspa is it 23 billion? What's the supply of Caspa? Current supply 24 billion. Yes, so the total is, and by the way, Caspa 85% mined. It's about 27 or 37 billion. I need to go on the Caspa, not the dashboard, but if I click on any addresses, I'm gonna go to the Caspa. No, just showing me transactions. How's that? Need to go to the Caspa blockchain, and it does not transfer there. Huh. That's weird. Alright, well, just need to go to the Caspa instead of FYI. Just have to go to their Caspa right here. Hash rate and all right, we actually have to go on the Caspa Explorer, which is on explorer.caspa.org. Sorry, I had to kind of play with that a little bit. And it's 28.7 billion total maximum supply approximately. So that's where the number is, and that's 3.5 almost time lower than Bugna supply, maximum supply, right? So if we look at the Bugna Explorer, it's 100 billion. So it's not that huge difference, only 3.5 times difference, but the price obviously a lot lower of the actual Bugna coin. It's a lot lower. Anyways, we're not gonna do that calculation in this video, but the point really is the Bugna wallet. So we got stuck here. What do we do, right? And obviously with the new version of the wallet, which is on their Discord, so if we go back in Discord on the Bugna and look at their here we go on the channel. And they have official announcement just 3 days ago, right? It's September 3rd. So now you have this new Bugna wallet version 2, Bugna or wallet 2. Anyways, if you click on that link, you come into the new wallet, and that's where you can restore. So you're creating the passwords for your wallet, whatever it is. I'm gonna just write 3A. Yeah, you need to have actual password, something bigger than that. We'll have to do something so it works. All right, so you just create the password, so I'm not gonna do any of the wallet creation here, and you can restore from your V2, which is 24 word, that's for the new wallet, or the previous wallet, which is step 1 V1, which is the old version. You just need to have your seed phrase. So as soon as you put your seed phrase, you go to the next step where you need to recover all of your wallets associated with that wallet. And you could have multiple wallet addresses there where you deposit to the same wallet, which is Caspa is the same. True, every time you use the seed phrase, you log into your wallet, and it's going to be completely different wallet, right? So anyways, you would just put your seed phrase, but it will show you all the wallet addresses that you did deposit to that specific seed phrase wallet. Kind of confusing. Now the next step is it will show you, probably need to go there just to show you really what happened in there. Alright, so now when you enter all of your seed phrase and you go to the next step, they're going to be continue at the bottom of the screen, which you don't see it here because I'm shooting obviously. Okay, right there, the bottom continues. So when you click there, now you're going to recover all your wallets now, right? So you could see all the balances there for wallets. Now what I did the first mistake here. At this point I clicked here and I put my passcode or my password, which I created at first because I thought like, okay, this is the passphrase. anything you type in here, it will make not transfer your wallets. It was kind of weird because I put the seed phrase and I said like, okay, that's gonna be wherever it is I'm doing there, and it's gonna be my password, and then I discover more addresses, or I go continue at the bottom again of the screen, right? And if I type anything, it will not discover my any of this wallet because I didn't have passphrase on them. Obviously, it's just the password. So you have to leave this clear if you want to transfer all these balances to this new wallet. Now, after you do it, because I already have that, it will just basically transfer all your addresses, and you will have it right here. You will have forever the addresses associated. As many account you transfer to this specific wallet, it will be here listed. I already transferred everything to one, but it was multiple different wallets because I mined to different wallets there. And I mine over 200 million of Bugna, and I was able to sell. But after receiving this, you could just do send here from this, and then you type your address, or I mean, copy paste whatever address you are sending, right? I'm gonna copy and paste it again just to show you it works. And you're gonna put amount. So let's say I want to transfer 1 million, right? Insufficient balance, obviously, because I didn't choose the right account. So I need to choose account with actual balance. So now when I click send, and I'm gonna click there my wallet address, I'm gonna click account, let's say 1 million, which is cool. It shows you actually the value in the dollar. Let's say 10 millions, I'm sending $245. If I sell all 100 million, it doesn't show the balance after a certain amount. I don't know which one it is. Probably maybe over 90 millions. Yeah, maybe 50 million. Shows 10 million, so maybe 20 millions. It's already big amount. No, it shows 20 millions. I want to say it's something weird. Anyways, shows 3 million, stuff like that. So I don't know when is it switching over $1,000 or what. Yeah, so up to $1,000. So 50 million it will not show because it's over $1,000, I guess. The larger number it gets, right? Let's try 42 million. Yeah, after 1,000. Okay. Sorry, I had to play with that, but obviously it works now. I want to send 1 million, 10 million, no problem. The gas fee, the fee for transaction. The minimum reserve in the wallet is going to be 0.5, half of the Bugna, which is nothing. It's less than pennies, right? And any penny would cost, like the transaction cost is also very, very cheap. I don't see where that right there. How many Bugnas? It's like it's 0.00002 Bugna, so it's nothing, right? Anyways, you click next, and it goes to approve. You click there, and you set to go. Anyways, it works. I already transferred because I had more than that, and that's all. That's video pretty much just to show you're not stuck like in Tradeogre, where you can't do anything, right? The failed there. So that's how you do it. It's pretty much that's what I want to show you guys. If you notice that assertion failed message and you're kind of freaking out, just go and check Discord. There's a link there, and yeah, just do that and update your get your seed phrase. Make sure ready. You can, if you logged into the original wallet, you can back up your seed. Okay, so make sure you're backing up your seed phrase if you haven't done that, and use that seed phrase to the new wallet. All right, I hope that video helpful, somebody to recover and not to freak out same way like you did on Caspa, Tradeogre. That was ridiculous. It's still ridiculous. Nothing happening there. They lost all the Caspa. All our Caspa just sold out, and now nobody knows what's happening, because you can buy it. Good luck. You can buy Caspa for, if you're lucky, for whatever 10 cents. What are you gonna do? You can't transfer. You can't sell it. So that's what it is with that's frustration everybody has with the Tradeogre. Now, where Bugna fixed their issue pretty quickly, I think within a week or something like that. That's when I couldn't transfer about a week ago, and or maybe 10 days ago, but within a week they fixed that issue, and I like that the team is on top. They're working and they're replying on their Discord, not like Tradeogre. They just abandoned their on X. You can't get hold of them. Telegram, X, wherever you sending them the message, they will not reply to you about the Caspa wallet. Nothing. Anyways, that's it for this video, guys. Hope you help somebody to recover your stuff, you recover your wallet, and be able to transfer if you need to transfer your Bugna. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you like always on the next one.